innovation of flybotics allows to fly with only 2 rotors instead of 4 in a
Today, we are excited to introduce 2 new inventions. The Moft X stand for phones and tablets. Be careful, using them can be kinda addictive.
The Power Claw grabs onto just about anything, and with 3 grounded outlets, it lets you tap into power safely and securely.
This is Mindoga's dream. A perfect chair. Made from 60 loose elements that you can put together any way you want.
The innovation of flybotics allows to fly with only 2 rotors instead of 4 in a conventional quadrotor.
The advantage of this technology is that by using fewer rotors than 4, we are able to use larger rotors, so more efficient ones, basically.
This drone is being developed for the industrial inspection use case, especially for oil and gas plants. However, this technology can also be used in other applications like public safety, law enforcement, and generally all applications where miniaturization of drones is necessary.
never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love. Oh my, you're my broken love.
Early this year, Moft Invisible Laptop Stand had become the most funded laptop stand, receiving thousands of positive feedbacks. Today, we are excited to introduce two new inventions: the Moft X stand for phones and tablets. Be careful, using them can be kinda addictive. We start with Moft X phone stand, the thinnest magnetic wallet stand that has all the functions that you need. With the gold vertical angles that supports all your daily tasks. Browsing, video chatting, unlocking, playing, all with a breeze. The 60-degree lifting angle is perfect for reading without moving your neck. And the triangle contact surface ensures the phone stand in a much more stable posture than any other stands. No more looking down, no more reaching and holding, no more finger cuffs. Your hands and fingers are now all liberated. Want to watch a movie? Rotate it. Feel like going out? Take the cards and slide it into your pocket. Not like this, but this. We also found the removable glue that's not going to hurt your phone while still being tough and strong. With holding grip, you will still feel 100% safe holding a really big phone with just one hand. With a magnetic pad, you can attach it anywhere. Driving? Cooking? In the bathroom? We got you covered. You will not go back to the old days. Next up, Moft X Tablet Stand, the lightest and most adjustable tablet stand available on the market. We minimized the weight of the average tablet stand and crafted 8 angles through all directions to create a more versatile and user-friendly product. The vertical 60-degree angle provides a natural position for reading, and the horizontal positions allow for watching movies or sketching. It also comes with a holder for your Apple Pencil. Click to easy store and charge. The best part is it only weighs a third of current tablet cases stand, but is still strong and stable. It's not going to add extra strain while carrying it around or holding it. Less items to carry, lighter weight to hold, and more comfort to your body. That's how we wanted Moft products to do. Make our life easier, more simple, and more concentrated. Support us now from today.
Introducing the Stanley FatMax Power Claw, a first-of-its-kind clamping power strip that allows you to clamp your power where you need it, when you need it. The Power Claw grabs onto just about anything, and with 3 grounded outlets, it lets you tap into power safely and securely. The Power Claw is designed to supply power in unconventional places and keeps you from having to deal with loose wires, and we all know how dangerous that can be. It comes with a 3-foot heavy-duty cord and features a built-in circuit breaker to prevent overloads. Don't deal with loose, flimsy wires ever again, because now you can have the Power Claw. The Stanley FatMax Power Claw. Clamp your power.
This is a box. This is Mindaugas, who put his dream into that box. This is Mindaugas' dream. A perfect chair. Made from 60 loose elements that you can put together any way you want. But the beginning of Mindaugas' dream didn't start here.
You cannot make anything beautiful without making your hands dirty. As I always say, for every architect, it's a dream to create a church. In the same way, for every designer in the world, it's a dream to create a perfect chair.
Spindy consists of 1,260 pieces of wood put together by hand. Each element is treated with natural oil, which makes it strong enough to stand both inside and outside.
The Spindy idea is simple, but the process is super complicated. Actually, it's the human spine built into the perfect chair. Very flexible and very strong. I have spent many nights building the prototypes, improving the technology, finding the perfect locking system. And this is the hardest part of the process, making it smooth. It's all handmade and needs a lot of patience.
The first time I saw Spindy, it was during the exhibition. I touched it and I couldn't believe it. It felt like silk. From that moment I just knew it's going to be a big journey. We went to international exhibitions, we won international awards. We were showing it not as a simple chair, but as a unique piece of furniture with endless possibilities.
Spindy comes with a manual of 25 detailed instructions showing that you can build any chair. A chaiselong, an armchair, or, well, even your sports equipment. One thing, endless possibilities.